Welcome back to the Top Foreign channel. Allow me to demonstrate the most effective method to earn over $30 every 1 hour. If you're eager to learn how, make sure you watch this entire video, as you don't want to miss any crucial information. The technique I'm about to reveal is incredibly simple and straightforward, so you don't need to be an expert to start making serious money. I understand your excitement to get started, so let's dive right in. You're probably curious about how to accumulate such a substantial amount of cash. Well, let me introduce you to an incredible tool called Panel Stars. Trust me, it's like discovering the holy grail of social media marketing. This tool is a complete game changer, and the best part is that it's extremely user-friendly. Moreover, it's budget-friendly too. With just a few clicks, you can acquire likes, followers, views, and all other engagement essentials without emptying your wallet. What's great about Panel Stars is that it caters to everyone. Whether you're a small business owner striving for success, an aspiring influencer yearning for fame, or simply someone who wants to shine in the social media realm, Panel Stars has got your back. Don't worry if you're not a social media expert. Their website is designed to be incredibly intuitive, and you'll be up and running in no time. Now, I know you're itching to learn how Panel Stars can work wonders for you, so let me provide you with some quick details. First, we'll need to create an account. Then you can select your preferred social media platform, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or any other. Panel Stars covers them all. Once you've chosen your platform, simply select the type of engagement you desire, be it likes, followers, views, or comments. Panel Stars has the capability to provide it all. Remember, the more engagement you have, the higher your posts will soar. Let's begin with step 1. Signing up for Panel Stars. The process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes to complete. First, visit the website panelstars.com. Once you're on the website, locate the Sign Up button at the top right-hand corner and click on it. You'll then be directed to a new page where you'll need to enter your personal details, including your email address, and choose a username. To proceed, you need to establish a password. It's crucial to select a robust password that others would find challenging to guess. After entering your details, you must verify your email address. Panel Stars will send you an email containing a verification link. Simply click on the link to confirm your email address and you'll be redirected back to the website. Next, you'll be required to add funds to your Panel Stars account. Panel Stars accepts various payment methods, including PayPal, credit/debit cards, and Bitcoin. Choose the payment method that suits you best and follow the provided instructions to complete the payment. Once your payment has been processed, you're ready to locate TikTok pages dedicated to barbershop products. TikTok has become a popular platform for businesses to showcase their products and services, and barbershop is no exception. To begin, visit TikTok and search for pages that specialize in barbershop products. You can utilize hashtags like #barbershop or #barberdesign to find relevant pages. Once you've identified a few pages that meet your criteria, examine their videos to determine the types of products they are promoting. Focus on pages that possess a substantial following and high engagement, as they are the ones most likely to benefit from your services. Step 3 involves reaching out to potential clients. Now that you have identified some potential clients, it's time to establish contact with them. The most effective approach is to send them a message using TikTok's messaging system. Introduce yourself and explain how you can assist them in growing their business. In your message, emphasize that you notice their videos receive limited comments and highlight the importance of engagement in building trust with potential customers. Offer to provide positive comments on their videos to help increase engagement, and it will generate a personalized message for you. It's crucial to maintain a polite, professional, and concise tone when messaging TikTok account owners. Avoid being overly pushy or spammy. Your message should be friendly, helpful, and clearly outline the benefits you can provide. Here's a sample template you can use. Hey client name, I recently came across your TikTok video showcasing your impressive barbershop product or service. However, I noticed that there were no comments on the video. As you know, people are more inclined to trust a brand when they see others engaging with their content. That's where I can assist you. I can help boost your engagement by posting positive comments about your product, which will contribute to building your brand and attracting more customers. Thank you for your time, client name. When crafting your message, make sure to personalize it by mentioning the specific product or service that caught your attention. This demonstrates that you have taken the time to explore their content and genuinely show interest in their business. Emphasize the benefits of your services, as demonstrated in the message template, by explaining how your assistance can increase engagement and attract more customers. Also, express gratitude to the account owner for their time and include your name. This helps them remember you and facilitates easier communication if they are interested in working with you. If you're not comfortable composing the message on your own, ChatGPT is an excellent tool to assist you in creating the perfect message. Simply provide the bot with relevant information about the product or service you're interested in, and it will help you generate a personalized message. 2/2 To leverage the assistance of ChatGPT in crafting your message, specify the type of message you wish to send and the desired outcome. The AI tool will generate a personalized message for you, which can be further edited to add a personal touch. Here's an example of how you can use ChatGPT to compose a message. Hey ChatGPT, I'm looking to provide social media marketing services to TikTok account owners who specialize in selling barbershop products. Can you assist me in creating a friendly, helpful, and professional message to send to them? I want to emphasize the benefits of my services and inquire if they're interested in collaborating with me. By employing this prompt with ChatGPT, you can save time while ensuring your message maintains a professional and effective tone. Additionally, it serves as a source of inspiration and ideas if you're unsure about how to commence crafting your message. Moving on to step 4, once you have successfully reached out to TikTok account owners offering your social media marketing services for barbershop products, it's time to fulfill their orders utilizing Panel Stars. After your client has placed an order, simply access Panel Stars and purchase the necessary social media engagement they require. The process is straightforward, and you can easily navigate the website to find the specific services you need. Upon fulfilling your client's order through Panel Stars, shift your focus towards acquiring more clients and increasing your earnings. Continually reach out to TikTok account owners specializing in barbershop products, offering your services to them. Moreover, extend your reach to potential clients on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Being proactive and actively seeking new opportunities to provide your services is key. One effective method to boost your earnings is by offering different levels of service at various price points. For instance, you can provide a basic package that includes a specific number of social media engagements per month. This allows you to cater to different client needs and increase your revenue potential. Furthermore, you can expand your offerings by providing additional services such as social media advertising or influencer marketing at higher price points. Incorporating these strategies ensures a steady stream of income, and it's incredibly simple. That wraps up today's video on the most effortless approach to earning money with Panel Stars in 2023. I sincerely hope you found these tips and tricks beneficial, sparking your enthusiasm to launch your very own social media marketing agency. If you enjoyed this video, remember to show your support by liking and subscribing for more valuable content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'm eager to hear from you. Until next time, take care.